Every player has an origin story. Wrong postcode, wrong background, not the right one, apparently. They did not listen. Different origins, different stories, different flags on their sleeves, but the same fire in their chest. Because the most powerful thing in football is not a superstar. It is a team that refuses to let each other down. This is the moment before the whistle blows. All that matters is the team next to you. Urban MBA, built on the streets, proven in the boardroom. One team, one mission, one community. Lace up, level up, together.